Over the last few months, crypto prices have been crashing. Yeah, you've noticed it too, huh? Beneath the surface, however, almost every crypto project has continued to grow. This has certainly been the case with Cardano, which has continued to see exponential growth in terms of developers, users, and decentralized applications. Today, I'm going to give you a bit of background about Cardano, bring you up to speed on some of the project's most important updates, and tell you how and why ADA could hit new all-time highs. Before we get cracking, there are some disclaimers that need unpacking. If you're here for financial advice, you'll find this video is lacking. That's because it's just entertaining educational content that starts with a bit of rapping. Please contact a financial advisor if your portfolio is lagging. Also note that ADA is a crypto I am stacking, but I promise there will be no bias in my yapping. If this is your first time hearing my rhymes, my name is Guy and crypto is how I get by. I make the highest quality crypto content the internet can supply. Coins, tokens, news, reviews packed with facts and stats that will make your eyes open wide. If you want to join my crypto tribe, all you need to do is subscribe. Pinging that notification bell is also wise. That's all you need to know from my side. Let's see what Cardano has been up to and when ADA could hit a new all-time high. If you're unfamiliar with Cardano, here's what you need to know. Cardano was founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Cardano was built by two software companies, Input Output Global, or IOG, which is based in the United States, and Emergo, which is based in Japan. Both companies have subsidiaries around the world. Cardano's development is coordinated by the Cardano Foundation, a non-profit based in Switzerland. Cardano raised over $62 million across various token sales in 2015, 2016, and 2017, and its mainnet went live in September 2017, and though it's still technically in development, most of Cardano's core features have been rolled out since that time. Under the hood, Cardano has a smart contract-compatible blockchain that uses a novel proof-of-stake mechanism called Ouroboros. The Cardano blockchain can process around 500 transactions per second after its latest upgrades, which I'll get to in a moment. Note, though, that this transaction speed only applies to simple transactions. The Cardano blockchain can currently process between 7 and 10 smart contract transactions per second. More on that in a moment, too. The Cardano blockchain is secured by over 3,000 staking pools, which function as its validator nodes. And this makes Cardano one of the most decentralized cryptocurrencies on the market. This is thanks to Cardano's K parameter, which decreases staking rewards when there's too much stake in a single pool. This incentivizes the creation of new staking pools. ADA is the native cryptocurrency of the Cardano blockchain. ADA is used for staking, to pay for transaction fees, and is also used for governance, which is currently limited to a Cardano project incubator called Project Catalyst. ADA staking rewards are currently 4.6% per year with no minimum stake. There's also no lockup or unlock time and no slashing risk, hence why over 70% of ADA's supply is currently being staked.